Ofeke Dibia followers and the Church of Satan's followers, please stop making my line busy. I am prophet for the partners. I'm not a prophet for fools. They cannot speak bad about me at the back and they want to come and collect my blessing. I want to use my gift to settle your problem, to settle your occultic power. You want me to solve your problem without spending anything. You're your house calling me to settle your problem. If we are spiritual wise. He don't like me. He don't like the Yahweh. But the one God of the Yahweh to bless you. You are against Sabbath. You love Mary. Why can't you stay in that your church? You're calling me. Look at them. Okay, think you just carry phone. You call me, I will pick because I don't get work. Call him back for phone or call him back for phone. You think we are fools? We are spiritual wise. We don't be today as time ministry. My ministry, I don't at least if I don't get express, I don't get as something years. You have been doing that, you can't do it again. We have a press now. That press is worth over millions. I did not ask anybody to contribute money before I paid for it. I'm not here for all the occultic people, for drug dealers, for 419ers. I'm here for poor people. So if you know you're poor, you don't have money, 29, come, I will pray for you, I will deliver you free. You don't need to pay. But for all of you that are doing 419, you will do 419 in church, you will do 419, you will hide in the back and call me. That fake prophet in it. If you come to my Facebook, you like that fake prophet. When you have problem, you come in back, pray for me. Pray for me. I'm your follower. You're not my follower. All my followers must join partner. In fact, all my followers, people that started following me, you know, I said it last year. Go and check out and watch my video. I said people that join now, they are some people enter partner with 500 naira. Today they can call me on phone and pick that call because they believe me. Some people that enter partner with 1,000, 20,000 on their own willingly. Many people are watching that follow my followers. I never asked them to pay money. I told them enter partner. So use their hand to pay for what I use my own money to do work for them and go to the mountain for them. Go and ask most of my followers, they know. So when I now find out that they begin to wicked me after praying for them, finish they have breakthrough with the Lord. That's okay. Anything I want to do now, I'll tell you the cost, you pay for it. If you need spiritual work, it costs money. I'll tell you what it is. If you have money, if you don't have the money, do it. You join partner. Partner is a salaka. Partner used to be like 5,000, 10,000. It's still even 10,000. If you want partner, just come. You come and join junior partner, it's 10,000 naira. But if you want salaka, you want to stay in America, London, Cambodia, this one, calling me on phone, which you know your Reverend Father cannot pick your call. And I'll pick your call if you come and telling me nonsense. Please keep down your money. Come down, let me pray for you. When my God bless you, come back and do this. I'm not interested. I'm only trying to help. But if I'm praying for you this time, whether you're praying salaka or not, make sure you come and do your testimony. I'm only considered because you're far. I don't want to waste your money. We have done that last year. I said I will not be doing it again. That's why, you know, for last month that people call me more than 1,000, I did not pick call because I'm not interested. But as let me tell you, no matter what you like here, it makes nothing because somebody is collecting 3 million naira to do what? To do a kit. Somebody says so seed, you collect 1 million. I had a say somebody so seed of 2 billion inside church. So what is 100,000 or 150,000? Are you mad? Are we not in the same Nigeria? Onyedipo is performing miracle more than me. Onyedipo cannot perform the kind of miracle I perform. And people are showing 2 billion. So go and sit down. You think why you become a light all those nonsense will lie for you? Spiritual solution is the hardest thing. Go to hospital, you will buy card. Only the time I want to just check myself, I did not sick. I went to hospital, they collected 150K in VI. They didn't treat anything for me. I just card and they shake my list. They give me what they give me. The test they give me to do was almost like 500,000. But some hospital will collect that thing. Highest 25,000. So you that call me on phone, you know who I am before you call me. You don't get your pastor. You don't get your church. Can you call Ebukobi on phone? No, you don't have his number. Shame on you. Can you call him back on phone? You don't have his number. Shame on you, you're idiot. So you saw a new number on phone. You begin to call him, pray for me. I didn't know you're like this. So you believe I will just come and pray for you. When I pray for you, finish, you go to church or settle and do thanksgiving. You hide. They don't want people. Oh, God, come, let me pray for you. I'll put it on the camera. If you love me, you have to identify with me. You don't hide at the back. You expect it to, no. I prefer to go to the street and pray for people, real people that know me, free. I use my own money to buy them drink than to pray for fake. Oh, fake. Fools. You come here, you call me fake, you come to back, you call me on phone, turn the boy, which I never think I don't know you. One come and say, I know it before. You know what before? You want to fucking know. You don't know nothing. You only think he can manipulate me. Do I look like a kid he can manipulate? We must know our partner. We must know who follow me. We are not looking for member. We are millions. We're not looking for member. Person will not get church, they chop money. Person will get church. Tell them because make a close in church. Make I see how I go take come out tomorrow. I go pay warrant. Tell them back to close in church for 2 years. If you see money eat again, I mean I'm bad start. You can't stand it. We will not be operating church for more going to 10 years, and we are still working strong. How many times have we given offering or tithe or pay seed? How many times did they see me come and pay seed? No, because this is the gospel of the Most High. I know what God told me to do, and this is a movement. Don't mistake me from your church. It's a movement. It's just for charity, which I decided God said I should go and do. And if I decided not to do it today, it's not. If I want, I off my phone. It won't do me nothing. So you don't like what I'm doing, leave the page. My own is to expose evil and to destroy the powers of darkness. That talk I'm talking, a word preaching to 1 million people with lies. Jesus mother of Jesus. This truth I'm telling you is for if 1 million, if I can gather 1 million people. What I'm doing have saved more so than that nonsense you're preaching. All the nonsense, all the whole Reverend Father have preached, they have not win one soul. What I preach, the people that are winning their soul and teach, they cannot win it in 100 years because it's all about lies. How will you be ashamed of yourself? See Bible here. This is Bible. You read Bible, finish. You don't get sense. You got to be bowed down to idol. You got to be bowed down to demons. Person that are doing all court is in the same church. If Dibia come out and tell you Agumbo, one child, somebody, he came out. You go and kill cow. Cow that worth over 500,000, no will comprehend. They will put you on the covenant. You make money, share it with them. You know will comprehend. But prophet of God will work for you, suffer for you, finish. If you, because he's a prophet. That's why many prophets are very wicked. As one of my son, I delivered from hand of prophet, evil prophet in Port Harcourt. For many years, the guy was crying. He's in London. You may be watching. I was one that destroyed the power. That power have hold him. As I free the spiritual prayer, breaking of course. Because I like I put you on phone. As I free the, in fact, the testimony they here because the guy said we want to come and start doing me this thing. As I free the breaking of course, he got a work that pay him more than the work I've been doing for many years. But that's not why I'm here. Please, where is Akwa? Where is Akwa, our brother? I'll see. Asina aka kaka ga-agbaji aka. Okay? Amara aka. Akwa is not my enemy, but all feeling na power I carry power Chukwu. So I'm a aka Akwa kaka. So, but I'm not wishing today. I'm wishing to repent so you can join me to win so. So I'm waiting for Akwa to make a live video and let him choose a date and the venue. Tell me the day I will come and carry those okit and give him the power of God. Go join the Gospel of Truth anti-prophetic movement. They have hide. God bless you. These are the people that are eating money for Roman Catholic. See, they're calling me criminal. These are occultic people that is in that side church. Taking people's soul. Taking people's destiny. Taking people's glory in the name of church. If they see, let me tell you, I cannot lie to you. There's a girl that somebody Roman Catholic, the head of Knight of St. John. The man take his girl destiny and give it to his own children. Take the girl heart. How did he take this girl heart? A little girl. He made the girl to fornicate, and the girl got pregnant. Can the girl do say, what am I a demon? I swear to my God, if this is a lie, if I go out tomorrow, let me die. You know, I don't swear like that. You know, it's me, I swear. God said, do not swear. But if you want to swear, make sure you swear in the name of the Lord. I swear because I want you to know that I'm not like this is Bible. This girl, I pity for her. The man collected this her destiny. The church of Satan. The church of Satan. Then you see this girl, he went to make the girl to fornicate with, not 14 years, to fornicate with one guy that came from Port Harcourt, and the girl got pregnant. Now, the day they tell the girl to go they do abortion. But the girl got him abortion. The imara. The girl told me the light came, they take her heart. They take the girl heart. It's on this place. 12 o'clock at night. They are coming to fight me. This happened in 2018. Yeah, 2018 when I do the deliverance. So they like 7. So they came to fight more occultic people, Roman Catholic Church of certain people. They criticised, I don't know you people. Don't worry, I will bring in the video. Cool down. When I have chance, I will bring in the video. I will shock you. I will shock you. I will shock you. Please, Ambassador, let us update SKD. Sino King of Devil, Alpha. We are still waiting for Akwa to do live video. Come on up, Tago. We are praying for you for you not to die. I'm not wishing you death, but I say, Chukwu Dibia, Okaram Mado, Okaram Mo, Adama Chukwaka. Emma Jesse, Mama, Ekwa ni na-eme pastor ọgwụ akawa nga asị gwa ebe ọtara pastor ahụ na-enye ọgwụ na-eme ọgwụ since ahụ ozo. God bless everybody. Let me play our music and get ready for it. Chukwu Dibia. Chukwu Dibia. Jesus Igbo. Let me play the song, and this song is a world hit. I made it because Jesus was Igbo man. How did Jesus become Igbo? Jesus was a Jew in Nazareth, and in the Igbo Sebe, as Jerusalem. So use your common sense. If Igbos are Jew, Jesus is a Jew. He's not our brother. Let me tell you, my preaching is not of this world. It's not about education. It's about revelation. And because Nega Seminary School does not make you a prophet. Igbo church will go. Prophet is a spirit, a divine calling from God. And I am a prophet. And I'm a mama. I'm a mama. I can say, Nanda man, see, you think no man can do what I'm doing? No man cannot do it. I got chocolate package. Package when I got like package before I get it, you pay $1 million. Maybe I say, so seeding, so seed of our mother. It's how you move. Every go be see, they collect money. So seed of our mother, so seed of project. Give offering of this one. I know they collect money. Somebody will started with poverty. When no get one land, they will fly for inside one room. From there, they have acres of land that worth over 1 billion. Who is fully who? That means you're a occultic man and kidnapping and you're doing drug. How can a poor man become rich without any source? Nobody can challenge me. I have my business. I made my money legit. That's why I can change powers. So people when they do legit, they talk. How did you get your money? Even Mbaka cannot talk because you know that Mbaka started people buy car for him because he does not have any business. You're talking to a CEO. It's people man that you're using. He have no business. If you enter problem, powers, you close your church. ESCC will carry you a criminal. Yes, you can't do nothing. A CEO, entrepreneur, producer. You come and challenge me, you that is doing drug and doing kidnapping and sponsoring your 419 people are giving you money. You want to come and challenge a regime businessman? Oh, no. Give us the history how I take make money. You know they collect money. But they buy a kind of land, they share money. That's why all of them, they have done everything they know how to. Not your house. See, if you go in attack on a set, not free, but not too small. You should go to India, add more. Come on, I'll get rooted side the Vijawe. On our water. Also, no, see, you know why I'm angry? You know why I'm angry with those people? I swear to my God. Ebuka Obi is not a prophet of God. Because of why? No prophet of God who cannot keep the covenant. Let me tell you. Akwa is not a tea doctor. You know what I'm saying? It's you people think I joke. Do you know that small tea doctor that do rating? If you shoot them go, you will not enter, they can miss. Because of covenant. Okay? I'm not saying there's no power in the juju. There's a real power. Tradition, they have power. Okay, if they don't have power, how do they conquer the war they fight before? Okay, let me tell you, I was giving you instance in Enugu State. When I went to marry, I was entering a city. The demon they used to fight war, how many, over 100 years ago, that protect the land, they saw me and ran away. So you saw my wife said it. This is not a fluke. I'm not supposed to say it, but I just say it because of one thing. I want you to know that there's nothing to hide. If you say I'm collecting Saraka money, how much is Saraka money? Me, I've collected 1 million naira a long time ago, 500,000 long time ago to do spiritual work. But now I just say it's our brother. He said, how can I die about no kid? Let me just, that's the reason why I just, if people know me though that I don't collect such money, they know. I don't even have time. I was doing it because I swear to my God. Because people know that me just came out on, people are calling me, I said, okay, anything I have, join partner. If you like, some people are watching me. They join partner with 500 naira. I laugh. I did not, I gather all of them, all the pictures. Some pay 50,000, some on their own willingly. People can support. There's some genuine people. So that's why as I'm doing something, I'll consider, some people that there's some good people. Even when I say it's free, just do whatever you like and join, no problem. Some on their own, then they just, some 50, 10, 20, some 500. Not that they don't have money because of how wicked they are. But it doesn't matter. I just gather everybody and pray for them all. You don't know. If you want to, I'll bring the invoice. Because anybody that paid money to Saraka have their invoices. I know my partner, even if you start for 500. I've had somebody that started with 500 and you that will give me 500,000 tomorrow because those are people that believe me. You think I'm a fool. So you want to come and make my life busy. So when somebody that is supporting me since, there's somebody that be supporting me, that be sending me a card where we're starting. 500 naira. There are thousands of them. Some 20, some 50, some 30. We go to mountain to spend 1 million, 2 million. Yes, on the mountain. You think we're joking? Most of them that join the partner, most of them are multi-millionaires today. You think we're just here joking? Okay, if there's no money coming, this house, was it like this before? It's somebody that did it. No, was it like this before? You not see nothing? Let me on my light. Okay, now walk. Yes. This house too have to take because you see, life is just like that. If you get money, you know. You don't get money, you know. You don't feel fake reality. You want to motor, when the motor people are bus pop, you don't get motor, you don't get motor. You don't get money, you don't get money. You can't fake it. You don't get house, you don't get house. After 2 years, let us know if it's your house. Landlord will pursue you. God bless you. Shall we with you? Let me play my music, Joe. As you're joining, it's your first time hearing this wonderful song that I made. This song is coming very soon. It's a song that I want to use to prove to the whole world that Jesus is a Igbo man and he's a black man. And the candidates were 109. So because we are food 200 years ago, 180 years ago. So because the corona must have fooled you, so that doesn't mean they will still fool me. No, I'm David Yahweh. My brother woke up from religious slavery. Spirituality is to be wise. You want to follow David Yahweh, be wise, spiritual wise. You want to be dormant, you want to be mumu, I go and follow Romans, follow Mbakadem, follow Corona Master, case level more, you might if. And I won't do something, I'm going to repeat it for you because I'm going to covenant no kite or no church of Satan about chief event. Please love and share and God bless you. I pray for Akwa to be free and I pray my to be free. And I also pray for you to be free. God bless you. My name is Prophet David Yahweh, the angel of eternal spiritual Lord. Our fourth war in first and second heaven overcome. Our fourth war in land of living death overcome. Our fourth war in central kingdom on the ground overcome. I've killed over 170,000 witches and wizards, demons. I don't long for me. Is my long for me. Okay, Dibia they long for me. Occultic, satanic church of Satan. Also, they pray, they chill. We know be broke. We know they make mad. If this going on, I'm good and fine. They are here for one day. Yeah, we actually case in Canada. I'm a mama. I'm a hammer bow on a mama. Okay? It can't challenge the Almighty God, no matter who you think you are. That you have a crowd, do not mean say you get power. No shadows and Tiwaras. Elijah don't get any crowd, he work a lot, but okay, he killed over how many thousand bows. Elijah have church. Prophet know they get church, or they know. Evangelists know they get church. Then evangelists will get church, it's a thief. It's a fake. It's a star. Because evangelists is not meant to have church. Rehabonki does not have church. He win no souls over millions. Rehabonki will have gone to Anambra to do program more than how many times? 1999, Rehabonki came from America and do program in Onitsha. He did in Lagos. He did in Abuja. He did many places. Evangelists. How many places you have gone to do evangelism? How many places? Have they come to Anambra to do program? And just make it tomorrow night will go and do, because I told you I have not gone to Israel, but in Israel. Okay, now understand what I'm saying. Okay, let me tell you what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is this, that Romans have deceived people from fake religion. Okay? They have given you wrong religion. You're worshiping deities in the name of God. That's why you're pray, no solution. So you get it now. And they told you that Jesus is a white man, that Mary is a white woman. Why is a lie? Today, I preached it 10 years ago. I was the first person in Africa to preach about black Jesus. Today, Trump talked about it and went to Israel to make the headquarters. Local man, yes. You better call me local man. That's why I'm not wearing suit. I know they wear suit. I know they wear all those Quran. My brother.
Hello, sir. I just see hear your program. It was a nice one.
I'm online now. You're calling from where?
Canada.
Okay, wait. You're calling from Canada. Okay, no problem. I'll get back to you. Call back later. I'm on a program. Yeah. Please, anyone I want to call, whether I'm calling from America, come and try. Wait, I want to talk to my people. This is what I want to do is more important. God bless you. Nothing like Jesus. Nothing like Jesus. What they have is black Jesus. Call Yeshua. So why I'm still mentioning Jesus is just to carry you along. Because when I want Yeshua, I say, no, Sabbath. Sabbath is the oldest church, is the mother of church. But Roman Catholic doesn't have mother of church. I doesn't have a church. Confuse people. About their criminalism. They're the one that killed Jesus. They're the one that killed 6 million Jews. They're the one that killed over 17 million people. Who are they people? Romans. I said, why Exodus condemn it? Exodus 20, verse 1 to 10. If you don't know Bible, you know, at least from your childhood, that was the 10 Commandments. My man. That might have been long. God bless you. We are putting down the strongholds. Let me tell you, before I name I got clue. I want to this year, 2023. Go and listen to the video. Now I'm about to have a clear. And I'm going to say that. Don't worry, you'll be okay. I got clue everywhere. Because God told me, if you destroy the house of powerful kid, you have conquered. And I have destroyed that last year. You give me that card. Last year. This song I did it December time. After our fourth war finished, I told you that this year will be so terrible to Kingdom of Darkness. So I'm really kind of make a game my king name. I asked that study career now, bro, kidnapper, one on can, I conquer, send on the police, send on the can, and a lot of them. So I don't want to until we hear from Akwa, but here in Anna, about Akwa, then we'll let you come on. The truth of matter about money, 2 people died. May that soul rest in peace. Ebura without other police station or anywhere. May Almighty God protect him and I may have victory and God. Actually, could be quick. How much going to carry on? When the back I make one again, happen. All the via way.
Chukwu Dibia, Chukwu Dibia.
Akwa mere. Oh, baby, away. You don't say no, sir. I'm out of here. Okara.
Online, I wish that you can get one day. I know what I said. I got you with it. I only go now. Ebunna. Anya medigo naga. Hey. In the brother show, you know, channel some man of the clear. One more Yahweh Namaka, Omwa, first son of Yahweh, Okaramado, Okaramo, spiritual world. Chukwu Dibia, Chukwu Dibia. Chukwu Dibia. Oh, I am Aga. Oh, whatever forget about Akwa. Everybody get in the brother show, Jesus, so see them, our supreme intercept production. Jesus, so see them, no, Jesus, the body. Oh, what just on a fire? Jesus, the body. Jesus, the body. Jerusalem, Jesus, the body. Jesus, so see them, no. Jesus, so see them, no. Jesus, the Holy Jesus, of Jesus, the Holy Jesus, the Holy when you're in Jerusalem, I say, Jesus, I can't go hard. Jesus, Jesus, church, Jesus, the brother show. Now, holy mountain Zion, Jesus, I reached the Chukwu Dibia, our office. No, Jesus, the Holy Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus. Shall it our music is taking over. Sing this thing now, Jesus. Jesus. Help me take on I can have. When you're on Nazareth. Jesus. Papa. No just Uganda. No Jesus, Ọcha nwere ụghọgbọnụ ndụ nna nna anyị nwanne m. Ọ bụrụ na agbara ụzọ were mba ị gaghị ama n'ọdịchi. Ekwesịrị igbere ma mmiri ọkọta nwere ọdakọta oke nue. Egbe bere ibe ebere nkesi ibe na-ekukwakwa ya nue. Ndị ọcha egbuga anyị n'obodo. Ndị ọcha uwe anyị. Ndị ọcha ndị ọcha emega rue. Ọhaneze ga-anụ ntị, Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Egbe bere ibe ebere nkesi ibe na-ekukwasị anya nue. Ndị ọcha egbuga anyị n'obodo. Ndị ọcha uwe anyị. Ndị ọcha ndị ọcha emega rue. Ọhaneze ga-anụ ntị, Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Ka ndị oge ajụjụ ndị Igbo si n'ebe bịa. Ndị Igbo nwanne m, anyị bụ ụmụ Izrel. Anyị bụ Juu, Jizọs bụ Juu, ụmụ Chukwu ka dị ọma. Ya ka ndị si gị na Jizọs bụrụ nwanne anyị. Jizọs bụ onye Anambra n'oye. Jizọs bụ onye Enugu steeti nwanne. Jizọs bụ onye Owerri Imo steeti Port Harcourt. Ewu Chineke m, Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Ọrụ n'ụlọ na Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Jesus of Nazareth, the Greek lover, listen this in Jesus. Open the Jesus, I didn't know the Greek lover, Jerusalem, and Jesus. Greek lover, alive, share the telegrams. Jesus, Jesus will walk in the Jesus will not if you know Jesus is alive in your life, the hatred, Jesus of Nazareth, the black Jesus, share the telecast. We're going to shut down all your body to shut of Satan. We're going to shut down all the OT, all the powers of darkness. We are bringing them down. The Yahweh of Jesus is Igbo. All my fans, God bless you. All my partners, you have done well. God bless you. Who have made history, who have destroyed the powers of darkness. God is taking over. Immoral. They shall work with you all my partners over the whole world, my sons and my fans. God bless you for what you have done. We have made a history, we have bring down the powers of darkness. I will be one day. I will be one day. In America, in Mozambique, I will be one day. In China, I will be one day. In Hong Kong, I will be one day. All this is going on your Chukwu mercy. What is written is written. Chukwu na-elu, chetabana n'ọsọ, onye nwe echi, onye nwe isi ga-abụ eze. Ụmụ David Yahweh, I will be one. Chukwu gozie gị gozie ndị ọzọ. Yes, ịnọrọ Abacha, ịnọrọ Italy, ịnọrọ Nigeria. Everyone will know. Remember your own. Remember your one. Cheto money na village South Africa. I will. Cheta amigo. I didn't want to laugh. Every day, ịnọrọ Dubai. I want one day. Ịnọrọ Philadelphia. Ịnọrọ Hong Kong. I will be one day. People I love is a Chukwu Dibia, wonder, They shall be well with you all. As we sleep, the angels will bless you. I have 1.2 million angels. Billion. All of you will become multi-billionaire. I will be one day. That with the what is possible. You'll be a billionaire in dollars. Hey. Jesus Anafanya, Ike Burabuamosu, you're there typing nonsense. Without the Yahweh, there won't be no Christianity in Igbo land again. That was what they planned to do. I have to come down with 1.5 million angels to fight and destroy the powers of darkness. Give to honor to who the honor do. Because I'm not a Father Mbaka. I'm not able to. If he's able to fight that way, you'll be happy. Shout it. What you know you cannot do, somebody do it. Call a spell, and call good. Don't hide under shade. He that said that he see good things, say it's evil. The evil follow you. And he that loved good will receive good. The mighty name of Yeshua. Amen. We know the battle that we fought. You can't fight it till you die. We have come to prove to the whole world that Yahweh is God. There's no power in idol. There's no power in church of Satan. There's no power in the witches and wizards. There's no power anywhere. All power belongs to Yahweh.
Chukwu Dibia, Chukwu Dibia.
God bless you.
Who is calling me? Let it not be all those aquatic Dibia. Who is calling me? Yeah, where are you calling from? From Lagos State. What can I do for you? Are you a partner? Are you a partner?
Partner?
Yes.
I follow you on Facebook.
You follow me on Facebook, but you have not joined partner. You have not joined partner.
I'm not joined.
So you have to join partner. God bless you. Before you can speak to me now, I want to do like Mbaka and Ebukobi now. So I hope you will like it. Let us know who carry power. So you can fly from America and come. So you will vary it. Don't worry. There's time for everything. This time, I want to prove to you that you have to come from anywhere you are to come. Free. Don't pay money. We know they collect money. Don't worry. Come. Come and get sheep. God bless you. God bless you, my man. He said the only untruthful is just what I'm manifesting. Yes, that's what they do. All this occulting. You know, this is the hatred of Romans. Romans have been hatred, and the one that bring the hatred in everywhere. Sabbath started before you. He come and conquer them. He came to Anibo. He conquered the traditional people. Conquer everybody. And this time we have come as a Sabbatarian, as a Jew, to conquer you. We must destroy that your nonsense. I get you when I'm able to. I get you when I'm able to. Don't worry. Don't worry. Truth is, see, let me tell you, I say, one day for the thief, one day for the owner. You have been stealing, chain Bible, stealing, killing people, taking what belongs to them. That was then, not now. Spiritual and spiritual. Will you tell us how the Bible became Bible of Roma? You will tell us how Jesus become Jesus of white. Nara. Jesus is my brother, so he can't deceive me. Now you be Ekwensu. Ekwensu was white. He's a foreign angel. When Ekwensu bundocha has really go away. I have Ekwensu. I want about Jesus and Akwa. God Himself. God is saying, "I'll make you in my own image." Where the black, where the God. That's why we are strongest people in the world. Only what I get you up, I say, VI. He can't be offended. He saw it. Me, I can work for him too. When I went to London in 2004, I went to see a movie. I was staying in East London. I went to Circle. Circle is where they have all those top buildings. I went to watch a movie. So me watching a movie, they have last train. Last train end by 3 o'clock. If you're in London, you will not understand what I'm talking about. So, but I didn't know. Now I love movies. So because I started making movies when I was so, but I was watching the movie. I didn't know that there's a last train. People are running away. Say last train. I was watching the, when I finished watching the movie. There's no more train again. And then I just come. Johnny just come. I'm a JJC in London. Instead for me to carry phone to call train station or to call cab will come and pick me from there. I use leg. They find Tausi. If I come to road, I see motor now. Now I say I'm stopping Tausi to carry me. Tausi about me. Now I say Tausi about me. I swear, that day I nearly died in London. I use my leg, walk, let the fall, snow the fall on me. Nobody does on the road, only me. Only me, they work for road. Motor just come if I stop, I go start me water. Because it cannot stop cab in the street of London. You have to call the station. They will come and carry you. That was JJC. So that time, how London how much the power they have. Our forefathers know they worship how they worship God, Yahweh, Chukwu Dibia. That's how you share them. Now you want to go and do juju, they will destroy your God, your sheep. Many of you, your destiny have been destroyed. Some native doctors have taken your destiny. Some fake pastors, fake prophets have taken your destiny. Some all those occult churches have taken your destiny. That's why you're suffering. How come when they born you knew you're having luck, all of a sudden you don't have luck again? It's either that reverend father, that fake reverend father, or that fake prophet, or that fake pastor, or that fake evangelist, or that fake native doctor have taken your attachment to your glory. Do you know what I did to recover my destiny? People was using my destiny and making it. I was suffering. You don't know? Okay, let me teach you something. In this my head, what if I want to? I don't want to make this video long. If I want to teach something, anytime, even my mind say, less. I can't rest. Because it's spirit that pushing me. I want to say something. You see, if you watch my video, I made over 2,000 videos. All of them have different message. I don't like it anywhere. I don't like the message. I just come out and so if I want to say something, I will say something I've not heard before. But the only thing that you don't cool down to listen. You only think I'm calling this name, I'm calling somebody. Listen to what I said. Gente. Kini fonya maneku. Gente. I say Akwa gente. Don't worry, I will teach you something now. I'll teach you something you don't know. Let me teach you one thing. Let me teach you something that will benefit you. Okay? You want to be leash? You want to be leash? Light, I want to be leash. If you want to be leash, light, I want to be leash. Or should I leave it another day? Maybe tomorrow I'll teach it. Should I teach it now tomorrow? I want to. And if people are tired, I will just leave it. If you want to, just share. If people can share to 100 share, 50, share, 10, 5 share. They write on the page, I want to be rich. If you want me to teach this thing, say yes, I'll actually leave it tomorrow because I'm tired. But if you say I should teach it, I'll teach it. Maybe it will take like 10 minutes. Who want me to teach spiritual thing now? You know, sometimes if I teach spiritual thing, you don't understand, they begin to say it's lie. So the thing, sometimes it pisses me off. That's why as I dance my music and I just want to go. But if you want the teaching, I can teach it. You want the teaching? How many people want it? You want the teaching? Light, I want the teaching. I don't see your comment. Click love and like, share. Love and like, share. I want the teaching. Let me teach you once. I want to believe. I story. Teach it. Teach it. I need 10 people to say teach it. God bless you. I need 10 people. I'll see 3 people. If I say more 7 people teach it, I will teach it. Yes. Teach it. Okay, now. If you want to be leash, okay? How to be leash is very easy. Me, I can never be poor. I can never be poor because I know many things. Okay? Do you know that this thing I want to do now, these people I want to see, I want to help them. They are not because of their money. I will spend money. Anytime I want to see people, I will spend money. I'm not getting anything. So this, people that do church, they open church to make money. Me, I do anytime I open to see people, I'm going to want to spend. You see the difference? So anytime I say I want to do program, I will be the one to spend. It's different. That's why. So if I didn't do, it's better for me. If I didn't do program, it's better for me. Anytime I do program, me go spend. Because I don't know how to say, bring money, bring this one. No, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to deceive. I don't know how to lie. So that's why sometimes you go see me at the company. If I know how to collect money, with deceive. I know when they come, they talk like this. That's why they say they look like say they big money. No. If they pay me, say I go do my church man, something that worth like 1 million, 2 million, I go do it for you, maybe like 100,000. I use that day, add my own money. When I do I finish, you go, okay. You go to hide. Mbunse. If you don't like me, why will you come to me? Keep your money. You don't need that nonsense. Some people will do that. The thing I do for you will spoil because you reject the spirit that bless you. You will begin to call me again. This one is, and I start the work I've done before. So I will go for back. I begin to do it again because that time you do that, I'll get angry. Once I get angry, the spirit will spoil. There's many ways to be leash. Let me teach you the secret of leash. Simple thing that you don't know if you do it. If you're married, I will teach three level. Let me start from family. You marry a woman. Most of the women you marry, they are goddess. Now, what is goddess? A goddess is a woman like a queen. Okay? They are not bad women. They have rock. They have blessing. They have favor. They have everything. Now, because you don't know who the woman is. In fact, that woman is not supposed to marry. Who's supposed to marry the woman is like a king or traditional man who understands the woman that they marry. Many of you have married woman that's very, very fantastic woman from God because you don't know. If you want to marry a woman, try to know the spirit behind that woman. Now, I want to marry a woman, a lovely woman, a woman that carry glory gifts that can make you wealthy. I will not deceive you. I'm telling you the truth. That can make you wealthy. Now, when the woman comes to your house, you begin to make her angry. You begin to carry woman. You begin to do many things. You begin to do all sorts of things. The woman will now rock her heart. If that one rock her heart, that means everything you're doing will close down. You become poor. Now, when you want to marry that woman, you never discuss with her that you will marry second wife. Many of you will marry this girl. You know, go tell and say one marry for second wife. See, it can tell a woman that you want to marry 2 wives. She no go say no. If that woman love you, you can tell her from it's a discussion. Let me tell you. The problem is because now you don't see why the woman is so powerful. When you want to marry that woman, you told her I love her, you promise her heaven and earth. You never told her I want to marry 2 wives. You never told her I want to be cheating on her. You never told her many things. She carry on her heart and give you where you are. The day you kill that gay spirit, that woman's spirit is the day he starts suspecting that you're sleeping with another woman. Now, she will become jealous. You say, so all the weight, you know, most of them are from another planet. All the weight I'm bringing from, you know, there are some women, they will query her. Some, they fight for you, you don't know. Most of women, they are spiritual than men. I mean, I will not lie to you. If you want to believe, if you see, have you noticed that as a girl you meet, he became rich, and as a girl you meet, he became poor? Have you know that? Do you know that some girl that come into your life, he became wealthy? And when he leave that girl, he carry another woman, he became poor. That woman that he carried before that used to be your girlfriend was a goddess. But just because he don't have spiritual eye to know that that girl was a goddess, maybe another person have gone to marry her. God does not mean to set up. You can have a queen from God, you can have from setup. Devil will not exchange the girl for you. Somebody will also marry that girl. How come you be friend that your girlfriend will get locked? She feel no fine. Before you know it, she don't marry. She don't marry because somebody will get I don't see say this girl carry potential. But you still they say they look for couple girl where go do nyach. And nyach won't marry. You go marry nyach now. All your money will finish for nyach maintenance. Do you know what killed Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson was killed because of what? His money finished by surgery. And he became poor. That's number 1. If you marry a long woman, do you know that makeup is expensive? You marry a woman that do makeup like 20,000 every week. Do you know how much it is? That putting woman head 500,000. That is doing yash 2 million, 10 million. After 2 months, you want to go and do checkup and do another 2 million. Every 2 months, the woman is spending only yash to bring her beauty. 2 million times 5, how much? 10 million. Plus, you go to yash before. Then 20 million don't go, you don't get money. That's why you'll be poor. Because you are making a long choice for yourself. That is the wife from Satan. God can give you wife. Satan can give you wife. God can give you children. Satan can give you children. So now, when you marry that woman from Satan, she will look so beautiful. You will love her. You will see yourself going down, but you won't know what to do. You can't comprehend anybody. It's only God can save you in that bondage. You can't come out. Because it's from kingdom of darkness. They send her to come and make sure you're done. I've seen any kind of woman before. I've seen the one that carries snake. I've seen Satan. I've seen angel as a woman. If you meet a woman that is an angel, the way we love you, the way we protect you. You know, even when we are talking, you know, sometimes you have a woman, they will protect you, you don't know. They will fight for you, you don't know. It's a secret. If you want to believe, you're married already. Make your wife. If you know, you can marry a long wife. That one is not your. If you marry a woman, make her happy. If you make her happy, you see that it will look like magic. Things will start to open. Before you know it, you're a billionaire. I tell you a secret. This is the highest award is your wife. Because of you making her happy. Anytime you make her happy, if you make her cry, you know, her cry, they touch God. If he set up, you know, woman can kill you, no. But you don't know. But a man cannot do that. Before a man can kill a woman, it's hard. But a woman can kill you, no. You know that. A woman can, do you know a woman can destroy you now? You see, if a woman want to say, I don't want to marry again, nobody they talk. So, you know, when a woman say, I don't want to marry you again, nothing where you go do, where you go marry you go come out, leave the house for you, go follow another man. But if you tell the woman you don't want them again, make you go, they come, they beg you until what, you agree. Why she no want go? Because she feels this place, she is secure. That's right. If not so, when she want to leave, you cannot stop her. No, good wife is wealthy. That's why the Bible says, good wife is better than rubies and everything. He better than silver and gold. He that find wife, find good thing, obtain favor from the Lord. So once they marry that one, favor will begin to come. It's not that scripture. I know they deceive you. Some people have seen their wife, they give them belly. They don't marry the lady. Another man went to marry that girl that have single mother. You know that some of single mother, they have destiny. Just that because the devil does not want them to achieve something, they have pregnant. The devil will enter the man will not marry the girl. They become single already. Most of the single lady that you see, they don't want to become single mother because of what? Long choice. It's not like some attack. Some attack that is with the family foundation. The man love them. They know the man love them. The woman, see, before woman will agree to carry pregnant for you for 9 months, the woman knows say love her. Because woman, they sense that it's the demon in your father's house that doesn't want you. They know that if you're together with that woman, it became so rich. Many of you are driving your future wife that's supposed to give you luck. So that's number 1. 2, stop collecting money from anybody. See, there's a time I was broke, but because of what I know, I rejected money. I rejected car. I rejected Jeep. I rejected many things. I suffered because just for a moment. If he cannot endure hunger, he cannot be rich. If he cannot have principle, he cannot be rich. There are some people you collect their money and put in your own money will disappear. That happened to me a long time ago. You go and take money for one big man. You give him maybe like 1 million, add it to your own business, the whole money will disappear. Why? Because that man is walking ahead of you. That's why the Bible says, givers never lack. And the blessings are to those who give than he that correct. Now, the most strongest witchcraft, occultic power they use is love witchcraft. No occultic power, no occultic man when no sabi do salaka. No occultic man when no sabi kill car, kill goat, kill something, make people come to the shop. But if you see it, he said that they know what they are doing. That is part of their sacrifice. And you're not a occultic man, you go and be eating that food, you go and be drinking, collecting free money. They will use it to drag your destiny. I want to review some secrets for you now. Why do you think this saraka that I will do? It means a lot. It take away sickness. It take away hardship. It take away many things. You don't know. Saraka is stronger. 100,000 saraka is more than okite. It's more than 3 million okite. If you like bring somebody that do business. Bring somebody that do business. Let me do saraka for that person. Go and do okite. Then start business. Give them the same money. You see that the person that do saraka will have more favor in that business because saraka is a free, it's a spirit. Those people that you help, they will be happy. The angels will be following you. That okite that I see that Akwa is collecting 3.something million, 4 million. Do you know what is work there? If I thought you work, what work there is that cow they kill. That cow they kill there is what that food that people are eating. That next so yeah, all those food that eat is what make it to work. Not be that money where they pay. Not be that okite. What's in the work now? That's salaka. Because God respects sacrifice. You see your Bible. Even in kingdoms, the place they fight. Children of Israel are fighting with children of Baal. The children of Israel went to sacrifice human being and they begin to win children of God. You see your Bible. These are the secrets. I know they do juju. People will say, I don't get juju, I don't get senate, I don't get nothing. I don't get nothing. What I get, but you cannot do me nothing because I have angel. I know the secret. If you do me something now, if I want to bring you down, I know what to do. I know what I do. What to do. Do you know what I know? You used to see me inside water. Do you know what I go there to do? You don't know. You only guess. You don't know. You used to see me inside water in the night. You see me. You don't know what I go there to do because I don't want you to know. I can't give out what I know free. If you want to learn work, come and teach you. What I go there to do is not what Dibia go to there to do. The way I do my own saraka is not the way you do your own. So it's different. And the spirit that you used to do something matters a lot. Somebody can sacrifice 500,000. You can sacrifice 5,000. But the heart that you used to sacrifice, because you don't have any evil intention, that your 5,000 will work more than somebody that sacrifice 500,000. But you don't know. You think it's all about sowing seed in church. Sowing seed is good. But at the mean, they do practical. If I on this light now, you will say, why am I on the light? If I on this light now, there's something you used to do. Let me show you. Let me teach you something you don't know. You know, these are spiritual things. I'm not supposed to teach you, but let me teach you because you're here. You see the light now? This light is changing. It's changing. It's attracting different flavor, peace, love. Okay, you don't know. These are diamond. It brings different. That's why when I'm praying for somebody for breakthrough, for favor, I use this light. It attracts. See, let me tell you, all those is meaning. If you pray on the darkness and somebody that pray on the light, it's not the same thing. If you pray, sleep on the dark, you'll be facing witchcraft attack. If you want to learn what I tell you now, just do 7 days every night, light candle. Even if not your phone light, make sure if you're a woman and you used to have spiritual husband, let me tell you how you can be stopping it. On light. If you used to have witchcraft, they on light in your room. Now, if you go to the Bible, they say, altar, don't let the light off, Abby. You hear them say, altar, don't let the light off in the altar of God. So that person have right. Light, what he bring is what? He bring angels. He bring peace. He bring love. He bring light. Light to show God himself. Most of you have been attacked when you everywhere is dark. Don't sleep well. Okay, now, why do you think witchcraft always affect people in the night? Because that time is dark. When they're moving, you will not see them. And most of the witchcraft, they will go and put black cloth. So you will not notice. Then if you wear white, white is the best color you can put on for spirituality. Spirituality. Shake, whether you're your church, why do you think Reverend Father also put on white? White observe, scare away. Okay, now, let me teach you something. Do you know that you used to watch horror film? Let me not use Nigeria now. Horror film. Say you know horror film. So are you trying to say, oh, you want to get, that's not science. They don't know, say, light in the sky away, vampires. Not be so. But if I carry this light now, I will there for darkness. You want you to be, why am I using light? I'm using this light to attract good energy and to pursue away forces in the people's life. I want to teach this now. So a pastor can do it, you know what I mean? I cannot do it all. I know many of them are watching. They will do it. But even if you do it, do you have the spirit? Do you know the covenant? Do you know what I've done? Do you know the level I've meditated? I turned myself to angel. So now, many of you, let me off this light. Many of you, you go to water. You go and be having sex in the water. Don't do it, don't try it. Water is a holy place. Holy place. You go inside water, you and your boyfriend go and be swimming. You can do that in your own swimming pool. Don't do it in this sea. Most of you are go and be inside sea. You go and be having sex inside sea. Do you know how many demons that is inside that sea? Do you know how many angels of God that is inside that sea? After everything, that game, you may not have children again. The spirit will come and take over your children. You know what I say? They have doing me. You don't get children. You know, he have destroyed your. How can you go inside that place? You're having sex. Inside. Someone will go to water, they will remove their girlfriend pants and be having sex inside sea. You want to believe? Don't try it. That yellow can destroy you. They can drive the man to zero. Demons live inside the water. Now, if you don't get power, don't go to water to pray. If you don't get power, don't get power. In fact, most of you guys shouldn't go to, somebody should not carry you to water to pray because what? The demon that's inside you is very high. Then when you get to water, if the man that taking you to water is not that powerful, the demon inside can attract that demon inside you. If he came back, this thing will become worse. No, most of you that have spiritual husband, after you went to do, I went to do something for you. Tell us the truth. Did the spirit reduce or it became high? The thing will become more. After some months, the thing will become more because you haven't confronted yourself with that one. That's what they're looking for you before. Now you have gone there to sham them. They are not connected to you. The day will become more aggressive. Go and check. Ask your, if you have a wife, you are going to do what or something. Check that woman. After you do that, it's finished. The thing will look like say, don't calm down. The thing will not come with force. Before you know it, either you and that woman, she will divorce you or something. Check it. Many of the women now want to deliver themselves. They went to long prophet, occultic prophet, occultic church to deliver them. They don't know the door of their husband. After they went to that church, finish because of the demon that is inside that church. The man will impart them more demons. When they come, before you know it, they will leave your house. That's how many divorce starts. Many divorce starts from you visiting the covenant. Do you know that? They told me, say, something will happen, I will become a king. Now, this thing I'm doing now, they don't want me to, even my family don't want me to do it, because they told them, they know. My family, they used to see, my mother see very well. They used to be, I have a lot of people that profit in my family. They don't want, many people see. If you know me, ask me. Many people in my family, they see, they have vision, they see their mystical powers, you know. I converted my own to God because I was divine. They know, they told them that if I became prophet, I'm going to destroy many things. So they fought me very, very well. Even my mother said it. So they now told me, prophet told me that something will happen. I'll become king. The king now is what I become. I'm not ordinary prophet. I am a king and a prophet. Say, go ahead, Mr. Man. I'm a king and a prophet. Now, a prophet can't really do what I'm doing because a prophet have limits. But a king have protection as a king. I'm a king as a king. I'm a prophet as a prophet. So I'm like operating with protection of king and protection of prophet. So I'm not like ordinary prophet. Because I came as a king, I'm a warlord. I would not be saying because I talk in the realm of the spirit, I'm a warrior. That's why any small thing I get angry. As I talk him, get angry. There are so many things they scatter. That's why if I mentioned your name, say something about you, watch that thing, I'll quarrel with you. Just give yourself more time. Or you come and make a nonsense comment. If I just curse you, something must, even if I revise it, one thing must happen to you. Because what? I am a king with authority. I'm also a prophet. There's some people that are king, they're not prophet. Okay? There's some people that are prophet, they're king. The same way it is in a woman. There's some people that are queen. Those people that are queen, doesn't mean you have to go and be doing as one and work. But if see, anybody, if I go now, do you know they told me I would be a native doctor, I would do this, I would do this. Many of you, they told you go and do a native doctor. You went to begin doing. Once you went to go and serve that idol will impact you. You became a servant. Because anybody that walk with God, you must drag yourself within light and darkness. That is why King David, before he can become king, he have to fight war. He must fight a war. Nobody became king without fighting war. Nobody. He can't be a king without fighting war. Your kingdom will decay. Why do you think King Solomon's kingdom decay? What destroyed Solomon's kingdom was a woman, Queen Sheba. That's the same thing. When you went to marry a woman from Satan, Queen Sheba was from Satan. It's not from God. And God warned them, don't marry from this place. He went to marry from there. He went to marry Satan, daughter of Satan. She came with money. She came with beauty. She came with everything. And she captured the heart of King Solomon and destroyed the kingdom of God. That's why Solomon does not have a son. He have many sons, but all of them became vagabond. Begin to fuck his wife, his children. This is I'm telling you, it's not and I'll put it on the Bible for you. I'm telling you the reality. My preaching is not for this word. I can preach for now to tomorrow. I can preach from here to tomorrow. I cannot look at Bible. I will preach and when you go and look at it, what I preached 5 years ago, it's not the same thing. This one that calling me now. If you're saying joint partner, I guess I'm joint partner. I want to call a prophet. I'm not your pastor. Hello. Sorry. You don't cut. It's not like I don't want to pick call. You do know how many people that call me every day. If I pick all the call, which I would not have to even pray for people that are supposed to. So I want to minimize the call. So if you know that you don't want to join partner, just pray yourself, come, dilate to the mountain. I will pray for you. No need of calling me. Because even if you call me, it will not still make sense. Good, you can call when I'm doing program. Sundays, I will give time to be calling me. But this Sunday, I'll be busy. This Sunday, I don't think I can do that my program because I have people be seeing me. Next Sunday, you can call me. We'll talk like brothers and sisters. Other days, I'm very busy. Now prayer they do, now eat my food. Now there they do, now what they do. Now I came to help people. So if you don't get money, I love you. Just come. You will not pay $1 to see me. Come. I will impart you. You know get. I came because of you people. You get. You know get money for partner. Come, I will pray for you. I will tell you what we do. Before 1 month, you get money, you join partner. Many of people that join partner, They're even giving me big money. They join with partner with 10,000. They don't have, some are crying before they join. You say, well, it's hard for you. It was hard for them. But it's not hard for them now because they have seen it. How many of my followers you see they come and lie it's fake, it's fake? No. People that like it's fake is just people that just come on, or they don't like what I'm saying about their church or about their idol or about their this. But it's even small. If you check when I was fighting with Akwa, February 4, how they forget that? I have over almost 500,000 comments in one day. He reached 500,000 comments. I don't know what to reply. I don't reply anybody. Any comment, they come from everywhere. I have video that hit 1 million views. 1 million views. My page where they close, I have 1 million view video within how many hours? Because they are watching, waiting how Akwa will kill Dibia. Because they don't know me, that they say, that's my prophet, that's my prophet, that's my prophet. That's okay, I love. Everybody was watching. Do you know it's when Akwa go down, that's where Ezobi come out. Without Akwa, without me, Ezobi will not come out. It's Akwa that go down that make Ezobi to come out. You begin to hear me, then will Akwa hold them down before all of them. Oh, I will tell you what happened. It's when I don't Akwa, when I'm after me I fight, now begin to go down. Million will rise. Ezobi rise. Akwa is going down. That's why I want to hotel. That's why he knows the truth. You know what happened to him? He knows. Without Akwa going down, Ezobi will not come out. And Ezobi know. Ezobi know that it's Akwa that it's Akwa that go down, that make it shine. Before you hear about Ezobi, it's not Akwa format that I use. We know all those things. Million will just done. So that doesn't mean you're going to serve God. That one is even more dangerous. Mommy water. I'm not going to lie to you. Mommy water is more dangerous than anything. God forbid. Mommy water may give. Let's see. Mommy water. Oh my God. Mommy water will enter your house. It will not leave. Mommy water will enter your house. It will not leave. Okay, they can destroy it. You go. Mommy water will enter your house. You don't give mommy water house. You don't come. Don't go anywhere. Mommy water go enter all your children. You go enter all your children. You know they go anywhere. You go marry to them all. If one a man, you go marry. If a bomb woman, they go marry them. All of them will become sons and daughters of mommy water. That is covenant, the highest covenant you can talk. Because after God, mommy water. And mommy water want to claim to be God. That is why Mary is so powerful that you think is God. Because it's mommy water that is Mary. If I tell you now, that's why if I shall not comment again, make her from my you to the talk, the very way. Every time Mary for your mouth. Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Good evening.
Who they talk? Please, if you want to call me, drop your message on WhatsApp. I'm very busy now. What I go do, I know they call. I said I'm not going to call people name, but if I see my the speaker say talk. See, as I talk my water, I don't call me. In fact, I get what I know where you know. I just way. You get what I know where you know. I no go know. And the pity for you people. No, they go my water. No, they go my water. It's not even come to the church. Stay in your house. You better. No, I not go lie you. Even I do I fight this small from Mary. I fight before I deliver this game. I fight. Demons. The woman came down and said, you know me. You remember me. Because me and you don't fight before now. Now my father worship. I made my father worship. Now I be my water. So I ain't there the worship. Now I do this. Now I do the worship. Okay, he said it should not rejoice when bad thing to happen to you. What the Bible told you, the Bible said he will look around the wicked. The same Bible said, do not be jealous of the wicked, that you will look around, you will not see the wicked again. Quote the Bible. Joy, quote the Bible, quote the version. You think you know Bible more than me? Bible said, the same Bible told you, do not be envy of the wicked, that you will look around, you will not see the wicked no more. Forget about the riches and this that you will look around, you will not see them. That's what God promised me. God said to forget about it. Okay, Chief Judge will make all the money. Where is it? They didn't know why. Many people will leave all this things and go. You think you know Bible more than me? Come out to bring Bible verse for 40 to say. I will show you many prayer. God says, suffer the wicked not to live. When the Bible says kill the wicked, you think he's joking. You think he's on carrying knife, killing people. You that are coming to make people to be entering evil covenant. Are you not wicked? You're enemy of God. God says, suffer the wish not to live. Rejoice about what? When is rejoicing that your power, the pastor don't have power? Or what did you say about it? You're happy. Shouting, hey, small daughter is powerful than pastor. Give them power. Who give power? Who give power? Thunder, but whether your kid. What is that? Think I have time for nonsense? My assignment is for Anambra State. You can do that in other places. But Anambra State, forget. I go correct them. I don't go Anambra State. I stay like 3 years. 2017, 18, 19, 20. 2020 is when I leave Anambra State. I came to Lagos, COVID-19. I told you this year, you're going to be brutal. The only thing that they do is what they're just doing. They can't do me nothing. Devil will just be manipulating, make sure that enough funds know them. So I will just go and build and begin to do what I want to do. But we are waiting. We are not in a haste. Anyway, we're out. That's why we're on the. This one is do more. It's going fine. Like destroying more powers. They say you people should give Akwa commander. Who know Akwa? Akwa Jacka booked on when no na nyanyik. Keze be card. God bless you. Bible say, I can disagree more kid. Don't want again there. They say go again there. Don't kill your brother, your mama, your girlfriend. Do you know some people have killed their girlfriend because I'm a more kid? Why do we see? Let me tell you now. You do know that if you go to the Roman Catholic now, I got a with Dibia. And everybody see that boy, that prophet used to carry sword, pray for them. That boy is antichrist, he must die. They pray for me every day. And I go to chapel this. Do you think if Ebukobi and Baka know how to kill me, Akwa, they will not kill me? They have been doing what they know. God bless you. The only truth is this. By the time I read your Bible, I begin to draw close to God. Maybe next 5 years or 10 years, you remember my preaching. Because preaching I preach to you is something that it takes me 10 years to prepare myself to come out like this. Before I can speak what I'm speaking. Think I'm alone? I'm an angel, I have wind, I can fly. Many of you can fly, you're a bird. I'm an eagle. I can fly. When you send me an attack and I can return it back to you. But you, they send you an attack, you cannot. That's why you are different. You don't know. Do you know how to return attack? You don't know. Small witchcraft yesterday can kill you. That's right. And you talk. Oga, we are making mouth. Go to your page, make the mouth. Put it, do like 2 videos. Even the smallest native doctor, appear one side. This topic was not talking about Akwa. I was just saying something. You come here to interrupt what I'm saying. God bless you. Shall go with you all. On that area. That's why sometimes if I'm talking, I don't look at their comments because their comment is distraction. What is that idiot saying? Idiot said that started writing that nonsense. Let me just play my music. I'm gonna leave you. Thank you very much for watching, and they shall go with you. God bless you. I'm not here to praise any man. I'm here to praise the poor, my fans. No, I don't look at anybody's face. Whatever I know that it will benefit my fans, I'll say it. I'll say it. Some things are things I learn. See, some secret things I know. Sometimes I teach it. Why do I teach it? I want you to be strong. Many people are following me. I've learned something that pastor don't know. You're stronger than pastors, I swear. The only thing that is, you have not practiced what I told you. God bless you, my people. If Akwa is out to tell us now that my contact +234 903 222 6076. I have only one number, WhatsApp number. So if you call, if I don't pick, drop your message, or if they say drop message, say, see what some people say, I want to see your face. You look like a scam. I want to see your face. Please wait 1 minute, please. Somebody's looking for me. 1 minute. I'll tell yourself I'm coming.
I wish you could have one night. I love you too. My queen just saying that. My queen just saying that. My girlfriend. My girlfriend, my girlfriend. Why you not married? Why you not married? Why you not married? Why your girlfriend? Hey! What apple? My girlfriend. Good night. God bless you.